Hey everybody, what y'all been up to? I've been down and out myself, but I'm back up a bit. So we're going to start tearing some stuff apart and get it on the truck and trailer. Tear the stove apart here. All right. Take my new ones. And we'll start taking her apart. Oh. That's going to need a bigger one. Let's try this one. Hey, here we go. Little catch bucket. You lose screws in your driveway and your tire gets screwed. So I did there? Funny, huh? All right. Getting here to the wiring. And we'll start cutting all that off. Look at that, just like magic. All right. Yeah. Like this right up, throw in the back of the truck. That way it doesn't get backed up on me. I have a big mess in here. So, I'm gonna try to take a load away sometime tomorrow. And our next project today is to, it's gross. Well, I didn't intend that to happen, but hey, I'll take it. He-Man. I'm just gonna start stamping wires here. It's too hard on the hands. Of course, you wouldn't grab the gloves out of the truck. It would probably help a lot, but you know, I'm not gonna bother. Finish taking them off with the front piece of the board here. Okay, we'll snip you down here then. Oh my goodness. Maybe we'll just snip you here. Snip you up here. Lots of wires. This stuff I get, last time I was in it was like $1.55 a pound for it. And there's at least 2 pounds of wires in here, so for a few seconds it takes to cut a bit of it off, it's definitely worth the time. So I'm using these little snips because they're in the house and I couldn't be bothered going to the shed right now because it's still a mess. So this weekend, it says past, this is this is Wednesday. But the weekend that just passed was was Labor Day here too. It was the same in the States. And couldn't get no money because everything was closed. Well, that might have been a problem with the stove right there. What do you think, guys? Bit of burn there. Cut those little clips off now. Make it easier to pull it through the stove here. And I got to take them off anyway. So clip, clip, clip. Bet you didn't know there's this many wires in the back of a bloody stove, did you? Now, we don't get done for circuit boards here, but okay, we'll go in a shred. So we'll throw it. Yeah, up in the truck. There we go. Now, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go in the shed anyways because I'm going to have to get something to beat this off with. Now, let's see this. There's another project today to get this off. Look at that copper, all copper. I got 4 more over here. I got to do up in the shack tonight or tomorrow. Huh. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done a stove. Oh, look at that. That's how it goes right there. All right. So this might be aluminum. I'm going to check it before I go any further with it because if it's not aluminum, it ain't worth bothering with. Nope, it ain't aluminum. So it ain't worth bothering with. That can stay on. Now, if I remember how these things come up, put that there for now. Pretty sure this thing lifts, but how does it lift? You know what? For the 20 cents in wires that's in there, I am not going to waste my time with it. So we'll just snip these wires off. And I'm not wasting an hour to get 20 cents. Let's think about scrapping, guys. You gotta do what you think it's worth to you. If you don't think an hour of your time is worth 30 cents, or worth more than 30 cents an hour, then don't bother going after little stuff in there. It ain't making a huge difference. Ooh, lots of burning. There's a fire here. Yeah. Good, actually burnt. That would probably have been the problem, I think. What do you think? Get the brass ends off there. Get these off. Now, I'm going to get a bigger thing from down there. Let's see. I got a screwdriver already on the bit, or the bit already on the, you know, the thingamabobber thing. This thing. So just undo these things. Now wait. We can just take the whole thing inside to work on. I wonder. One of these other ones here cut that. Let's see what Jerry the sucker. Will this work? Yes, it will. So now, I should be able to pull this right through now, shouldn't I, guys? All right, that's that. So that's about as much as I take off a stove like this. Quick and easy. Let me see. Don't want to take anything else off. Yeah, I tipped the stove the other day and broke the glass of the oven door, so yeah. This looks like a pain in the ass. Oops, did I say that? Pain in the butt. We'll see what happens here when I unscrew these screws. Look at that. That's got something electrical in it. That means it's probably got a little bit of copper in there. This thing here, oh my goodness, that ever burn? Look at that. Yikes. Yeah, I'm gonna bother digging into that. Alrighty. So that's how you stir up a stove real quick. And let's see, we got some more stuff here I'll get at. But that's today's video, I guess. And a little bit later I'll be getting in the shack there and clean that out so I can get working in there. And then tomorrow morning I'll load up what I got cleaned out. I'll make a video of that. These buckets have to go and get cleaned up, wires and stuff, and oh, all kinds of goodies in here. Oh yeah, bits of brass and a little motor or something. Yeah, got a whole bunch of these in here too. Look at that. Yep. You might look at the egg and eggs, you know. So yeah, these buckets out here are just lots of goodies I got to go through and finish cleaning up. And there's some pots and pans out here, like clean aluminum pots and pans, some stainless steel ones. Take them and get them cleaned up. There's a couple of baseboard heaters over there and a couple of fluorescent lights. So the old fluorescent light things there, fixtures. I take them and take the wires and ballast out of them, throw them on the truck. Throw all this stuff here on the truck and get this cleaned out. So hopefully all this stuff will be gone tomorrow, and that stuff too. And then we're going to the shop and starting to clean the shop out. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And like always, please like, subscribe, learn English first. Like, subscribe, and comment. That's it. That's all you got to do. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night, and God bless. What? Really? You thought you'd be able to see the pup? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. He's mad because I didn't film it at first. But you know what? You were an afterthought. Yeah. Who's that? And there's a squirrel getting home from school. What's that? Is that a squirrel? Is that a squirrel? Huh? A squirrel. See you, Roger. Yeah, everybody knows everybody. See, you got the dog and the squirrel all in one ending clip. Later.